Imagine you're driving from California to Idaho. In California, you've got a legal bag of cannabis in your glove box. But the moment you cross that state line, you're a criminal. The US lives under two different governments at the same time, the state and the federal government. But what happens when they flat out disagree? To understand this, we need to look at the Constitution. Think of it as a chore chart for the country. The 10th Amendment says, if the Constitution doesn't specifically give a power to the federal, it belongs to the states. States are the laboratories of democracy. They get to experiment. That's why some states have no income tax, while others have strict environmental rules. But then, there's Article 6, the Supremacy Clause. It says that federal law is the supreme law of the land. If a state law and a federal law go head-to-head on the same topic, the federal usually wins. Let's look at 2026. Right now, President Trump has ordered the rescheduling of marijuana to Schedule 3. But it's still federally illegal. States like North Carolina are still debating whether to follow the federal or keep their own bans. Then there's the war of the borders. In 2025 and 2026, we've seen states like Texas pass their own immigration laws. The feds say, immigration is our job. Texas says, you aren't doing it, so we will. When this happens, they go to the referee, the Supreme Court. The court uses a concept called preemption. If the federal occupies the field of a certain topic, the states have to butt out. So, who wins? Usually, the federal, but not always. If a state provides more rights than the federal government, like stronger privacy laws or higher minimum wages, those often stand. The federal set the floor, but states can build the ceiling. The result? A 50-state patchwork that keeps lawyers busy and citizens confused. But that's the price of a system designed to prevent any one person from having all the power. Next time you cross a state line, remember, the rules of the game might have just changed. Thanks for watching and see you at the next one.